Policeman that was shot and taken out at a wake identified. Hi again and welcome. This is ll3d TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to ll3d TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. ll3d TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is ll3d TV News Report. A policeman that was shot and succumbed to his injuries at a wake in Frog City in Maxwell Avenue, St. Andrew on Saturday night has been identified. He has been identified as Constable Brian Martin of the St. Andrew Central Police Division. Martin was among 4 persons shot when gunmen opened fire at a wake with M16 rifles. The victims were rushed to hospital where the policeman who was shot in the face succumbed to his injuries, while the others were undergoing treatment and other persons were admitted. ll3d TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. The police, however, though have not established a motive for this latest shooting. This has been ll3d TV News Report. Thanks for watching.